Today's the day where the yacht shop is getting knocked down. So come and join me and look at the process. So I'm just round the back where it's getting ready to start. As you can tell, this machine ain't having no problems at all. Just taking the roof towels down. Just look at that. Look at that, they're just pushing the metal to one side like it's nothing. It'll be sad to see this one go. It look like they're starting on the side bit of the wall now. It do look weird without the cafe being there, but that came down yesterday. So it look like they're just tapping it at the moment. Oh, look at that, the big piece just fell. Just came round to the front and it looked like they're tackling the shot sign now. And it's making it look so easy.